Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today it is episode 21 of our Passion Project series. And today, I'm going to do something I suck at, which is the majority of these videos I've been making. But today I'm going to challenge myself and try to paint. This is my ginormous bucket of paint today that I'm going to be trying to utilize. I also don't have a canvas, so today I'm going to repurpose this instant ramen noodles box and turn it into a canvas. I was trying to talk to the camera that whole time, but I was in deep concentration. So I've tried art before, and it's never been my thing. I'm a little creative and I have a lot of ideas. It's just when it comes to painting, that is where I struggle and I suck at painting. My cousin, on the other hand, Simon, is a really good painter. He's a pretty good artist. He does a lot of different forms of art. Here's some of his pieces. I'll give him a little shout out. If you want to check out some of his pieces, I'll put his Instagram right here. Okay, that is our canvas for today. I'm afraid I'm going to need a little bit more paint. So I don't know if there's a technique that I'm supposed to be doing, but I'm going to just run with it. Alright, just like that, it is blue. I think it needs one more coat though, so. Alright, that just has to dry. Sorry, I had to get some off the lens. This is what I'm going to be using for the finer details. Now that the whole background is blue, what I'm going to do, you saw how I drizzled the blue in the beginning? What I'm thinking about doing is drizzling some white like that, like a thin white and a thin black drops everywhere, other than this middle section, because I have something planned for the middle, and then something special to put on it. So just recently I went to the beach. I went on a vacation to Panama City Beach, and I found these really cool. Oh, it's not going to show you. Found these really cool seashells. So these seashells I'm going to be using on the piece, and there's a deeper meaning behind it. So throughout this whole Passion Project series, I've been filming for about 3 months now, trying to do this 30-day series, and at some point in this series I hit a really big roadblock, and pretty much my brain couldn't take anymore. If you're new and just tuning in, I've been doing a video every single day of the month of June. So it's 21, so I posted 20 other videos before this one of me trying new things and stuff like that. So for this series, it's been a lot of work. So if you want to just do some math here, it roughly takes me about 3 hours every single video to edit. Some of them take longer, of course, some of them take less, but on average about 2.5 to 3 hours. And then some videos it took me the whole 3 months to film, because I was like training for a marathon in one, so that took me 3 months to film. And then some of the other ones took like a couple weeks to film, and some just take time. Some I've spent thousands of dollars on, like building a koi fish pond. Now is one of the videos. So put a lot of effort into this series, let's just say that. But somewhere along the series, I was about 3 videos behind the deadline that I set for myself, and I had a vacation planned with my girlfriend. So we ended up going on this vacation, and before I was frustrated at the virtual reality video that I posted. That video took a lot out of me. I was trying to post it on, I believe, June 6th. I think that was the episode date. But anyways, the issue with that video is I ordered an Oculus off of Amazon, and it actually came broke. The left joystick didn't work, so I had only one right joystick. So I couldn't really film a virtual reality video with just one controller. I needed both of them. So that was the first issue. The second issue, once I did get the new Oculus, I had to send back that first one to Amazon, get my money back, go buy a new Oculus, come back, film the video, edit it before the trip, and I couldn't do it. I was actually so frustrated with it, I gave up on it and I said screw the series. I was about to not post at all this whole June, which sounds stupid looking back, but just from that one video it frustrated me so much. So anyways, I almost canceled this trip that we were about to go on, this trip to Panama City, but I ended up saying, you know what, I'll just go on the trip. It is what it is. Between graduating college, my full-time job, and this YouTube series, it cleared my mind. This vacation cleared my mind enough to work on that virtual reality video, and it ended up being a pretty darn good video, and I finished it in time. And then right after I finished that one, I filmed 2 videos back to back, filmed, edited them the same week, so I didn't miss a deadline yet. And I give full credit to this relaxing vacation that I went on. I just went on a very long rant to say that this artwork today is a tribute to that vacation. So please enjoy this montage of my creative relief painting using some of the same shells that I found on that vacation, which granted me some creative relief. Whenever you clicked on this video, I bet you thought at this point in time you'd be able to see this amazing piece of artwork you clicked on. Unfortunately, it's not amazing. It's actually, I bet you thought it was going to be great, and in fact, it looked better as the ramen noodle box. And this video was a challenge for me to try painting again. And let's just say I tried it, so I never have to do it again. I mean, what else can you do to white and black paint with a blue background and shells? I'm guessing add a lighter shade of blue drizzled on top to make it look abstract so it doesn't look like I tried too hard. That's what I'm gonna do. It is now an abstract art piece. So this is my creative relief project. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Hopefully it's a lot better than this painting of mine.